Hello everyone, welcome to Simon Tools. Look at Simon set face with Makita fan. Today we have the Makita problem. This is the two berries. This is 36 volt berry, okay? And this is one of my friends, Makita, come here for me to diagnostic, see what's wrong with the saw. This is the drop saw, is very powerful, but when I came and I say not working, and I will test the switch. So you know, like regularly when you come and find out the no power go through the motor here, you have to know what you do next is check the what I call the switch. We put on the tester and test the switch, and everything was so good. So the history for this one is my friends, they using the drop saw and they put on timber, and they both got stuck on the timber, and they holding the blade for a while, and then they just holding for like 10 seconds or 5 seconds at least, and you will feel nuts because this will burn out. This control unit will burn out and it costs you money. And this control unit, see, 36 volts, is a berry. To order and make sure you guys have one. Don't ever let it kink on any timber or holding too long, and you may burn out this one, and this will be painful to replace because it costs arm and leg. So for this one we're gonna replace the whole complete. It's called the control, and I've been ordered brand new from Makita factory. This is how it's come, and it come with all the new two berry terminal. So brand banking new, and let's taste tunes. So we will go from there, from the end here. We will take up one by one this side, and we will put on first, okay? And it come in complete control unit. You come with the new one of this one. This one they came in complete. And this side, on this side, you have to know, you know, like that. So we pick up the weapon. We open up this one. Okay, we are turning this one upside down like this. Exactly same way with this one. Okay, and you will looking for the. So we're looking for this one. So we're looking for this one. The switch go there. Okay, go here. And this one, oh la la, I don't know where this one gone. This one gone here, go here, oh la la, kinky. This one there, and then go down this way. We got long and short one. We got long. Okay, we got the long one is the orange color, light pink. It go in here for one side. Okay, we got on one side, and all we do is just slide this one on like that. I hope. Okay, and not hope, no hope here, man. Gotta be 100% correct, no hopes here. Okay, so it's gonna be sliding like that, and this one go in. Where the hell this one go, man? I'm a shit mechanic. terrible mechanic, man. Okay, oh, just like that for him to. It's the mess now. I don't know what to do now. My God. Okay, we replace the switch with the 3 wires. We replace this one. Take this one out. It's very messy now, but one way go, no go back. Okay, so remember, we took out one by one, and we have to put it back straight away. And thanks for my tools, terrible tools. It should be simple, it's no difficult at all. Okay, and the white one. So we go the white one next. So we grab the white one next. See, that's this way you will never mix up like that. Go like that. I lose the top one out. So I know the target now. I lose the top one and I kick the top one out this way. I kick the top one out. So I kick the top one out and I should have do the white one first. Okay, you see this one already had one in here, so we just cut and join in here. We just leave this one. This is never faulty. This is just the sensor railroad stator, so it wouldn't be faulty. Okay, never ever faulty, that one. The color goes to each color, and here we go. This is the whole chunk that control everything in here, which is always faulty. Okay, put it in the bag. Color to color, color to color, and we got the heat in here, and we'll join some soldering. And the soldering, because this is very strong wire, I think the soldering will help the contact stronger. Some of the edge here, make sure you put on the big chunk of the wire here. Make sure it hot up, and then you keep feed the soldering on, and it's melt inside out, and it's automatically melt in, and you don't have to worry. And I find out I bought this one from J-Car. This brand better than you buy one on eBay. It's so terrible, so I will find the right one. And it's a little bit expensive, but it's worked very well. Do not buy the one in eBay, and it's called solder, the flux and everything inside, but it's not as good as where you buy this one from J-Car. You can try this one by you got the cable melt, you can do it, but I don't have the size, so I'm using the sticky tape. Wouldn't hurt because I have very strong contact there with the solder. Two hands holding like that and slide in, and this one go underneath the basement, and all you do is bring them in here and slide it on. Okay, it's a bit tricky, but try your best, you will get it. Doesn't matter how hard it is, but we try hard, we will get it. Okay, so we go in very good here. So one more last one, then go in, and it'll be bingo. So I almost got everything nice and perfect. That's what I want. Okay, and we are slide one more, this one inside here. Remember how to take it up. Oh shit, this one not long enough. This one longer. I hope this one long enough to go through there. Oh yes, beautiful. See, one there and one there. This is the tricky one. See, tricky one. And then when this one done, we turn this one around, and we got this one on the cover. But this one go outside, just like that. Okay, we slide it on. Just like that, and we got all them in, baby. Not even single bolt missing. Okay. Okay, we check again for any missing bolt or screw. Okay, we go in. Get all in, baby. And for the moment of truth, this is an old one. Okay, we put that one there, put the tools away, and we are happy. Okay. Okay, we put the tools away, and we get 2 battery. We get 2 battery. Make sure we line them up straight. And put our tools away, get a battery. So it will slide straight on. And one here, straight on. Okay, we are starting to see the moment of truth. We pray for love, we pray for hope it's working, okay? Let's see. Test the battery. See this one, whole battery full, and it's work like brand spanking new. See this one. One more test. Very powerful. It's very powerful and it's very strong. But one little kink, and you holding too long, this one will burn and fold it inside. I don't know how can you repair. I don't know, but I doubt it. Okay. So this is beautiful 36 volt Makita process. So okay, thanks for watching Simon 2. This is how Simon replaced the control units for the Makita process 36 volt. Drop saw is good, very well. Make sure it's on the right direction. Yeah, see the direction go that way. See the target go down. So this one should go that way. So it's good. Okay.